Welcome, here I've got Oppo A54 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have watermarks, so let's tap on them, and now we can see that we can add 3 watermarks: the phone model, date and time, and the location. By using buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of these 2 or 3 at the same time, so you can pick whatever you need. Now let me keep turning on all of them, and let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see these watermarks at the real photo. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermarks in the left corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to them. And we have Oppo A54 5G, so the device watermark in the first line, and in the second we have date and time and the location. Now let's move back. Of course, when we don't need these watermarks or need another combination, we have to go back to the camera, then to the right corner, pick the watermarks and use this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.